Welcome back to GMA, live from Times Square.
And welcome back to Our Home, our Earth Week campaign to spotlight efforts to protect, restore, and celebrate our planet. Ginger, let's look at how people are trying to build more sustainable homes. Hey, Ginger.
Hey, so you know when we talk about greenhouse gas emissions, a lot of people think cars, they'll think airplanes. But what if I told you that the building and construction industry has a bigger footprint than any other sector? That's according to the UN. It's one of the main areas where we have to change. And now there's some ways that are planet-friendly to make your house that could even be more affordable.
This little house on the University of Maine campus is cozy and cute, but it wasn't built by a construction crew. It was printed.
In Maine, we produce about 1 million tons of wood waste every year in our sawmills. So we thought, how do we take that wood waste into something very valuable?
That something is BioHome 3D, a 600 square foot home developed by the Advanced Structures and Composite Center at the University of Maine, using pellets made from just 2 ingredients, wood waste and corn resin. A house like this takes only a week to create from soup to nuts, and it's recyclable. The 3D printed walls can be broken down and reused to print something else.
The more machines you put in, the more you can produce. So it is actually very scalable.
This year, the center is partnering with a nonprofit to print 9 biohomes for people that need affordable housing.
They'll all be 3D printed and gorgeous, and we'll have people who had been chronically homeless living there with support.
Another company developing eco-friendly housing is RENCO, short for Renewable Composite, using interlocking bricks made from recycled materials.
It's all interlocking like a Lego, so all the pieces have this same top and bottom component here, and they fit together as easy as that.
The company says that its material is stronger than concrete, fire-resistant, and designed to withstand a Cat 5 hurricane. And its most recent project, a 96-unit complex in Palm Springs, Florida, was built in just 8 weeks.
So if you've ever played with Legos and you've got a child, say under 10 years old, and you've got those basic Lego kits, if you can do that, you can build an apartment building, you can build a house.
Wow. You can build anything. Those biohomes in Maine are being tested and monitored, and in the 3 years since they've been standing, even through the tough Maine winters, they are performing like a normal house.
Great.
Unlike wood and concrete used today, when you want to renovate or start over, every single part can be broken down and reused, which is huge because not only is construction a huge greenhouse gas emitter, but it's producing 1/3 of the world's waste.
Wow.
So this is going to be a game changer.
Boy, that changes everything.
Fascinating.
Yeah, and it's exciting.
Yeah. And you said it can be a little more economical as well.
Well, that's the hope, is that as soon as everybody starts doing this, we could get this affordable to the point of like under 100.
Wow.
And how about the Lego
and the
apartment
Legos
building? Is
and then
incredible.
you don't need specific skill. You can do it with pretty much anyone, anywhere, and do it super fast.
Wow.
So even post-disaster, think about that. How quickly you can help people.
Oh, Ginger, this is great news.
Thank you for sharing that.